Okay, so it's pretty much ready. It just needs this filter to go up top, and it's been AN6 hex and fitting replica look, and then the divider clamps, and the 90-degree, and then the straight. Everything's pretty much ready. The bracket, the screws for the bracket to fit it on the front fender, and then 2 extra more fastening clamps for this one and that one, and it's pretty much ready. It's looking real nice. It's gonna look real good in the engine bay. Before I lose daylight, my brother's vacuuming my mom's car at the moment, but this is what the engine bay looks like, and you can just stick your hand right underneath and just pop these motherfucker off, and just like that, it comes off. You can see the points where it locks in, and you can just, so here's the valve right here. Okay, all these other YouTube videos that I saw, it's super hard to tell. Orientate yourself based on this corner or right underneath your tire, looking at this terminal right here in your stock cold air intake throttle body, and then do you see this valve right, well, this block where the 3 cylinders would be? This thing right here. This thing right here. It's glued on extremely tight, but because I've been already pre-working at it, boom, you see the oil on it already. And you just follow the same hose, just undo this thing, follow the same hose, and it leads to this PCV valve. And I've already worked at it as well, but there's extreme amounts of glue on this end and on that end, and you're going to hate it trying to take it off. Okay, so the way I'm going to set this up is like this. It's going to mount right here along this frame line. This is, I believe, plastic, so it's going to sit, the oil reservoir is going to sit right there, the oil catch can, and the cables are going to go down this way. One's going to go in there, the 90-degree angle, and the other one's going to go right there into the other one. Wow, this is going to be incredibly difficult. I'm going to have to block the camera because of this angle. Maybe I can just take off this thing, this cover. Unscrew these things all the way. To that point, and let's readjust your point of view. Let me see something. Okay, so basically this fitting will go on to there. Just like that, and I do want easy access to it, so I'm gonna pre-point it towards a good direction. That way I can reach it. And then that one, I'm thinking just like that. Boom. Okay. All right. The drill can reach this spot. Just a little bit tighter to make sure it will not come out. Okay, boom. That is tight. And now on the top, I don't know if you can see anything at all at this point, but I will try to show you a good view. It looks like that. Boom. Yeah, I don't know if I can show you anything. I don't want to fuck around trying to give you a better angle. I'll just show you later. Let me change this head. Let me make sure this thing fits. Of course it does. And I'm just gonna use this hex 5/16. Alright, it's nice and tight. Let's use it on this one as well. Why not? It's nice and tight. Boom. Oh, thank goodness it didn't fall down the fucking car. Alrighty, guys. I am officially done. A week, I would say 2 weeks wait, and that is what it will look like when you open up the engine bay. Boom. It's mounted right here. Here's my fuck up of making the hole. The mounting bracket, the oil catch can is not sitting on anything. It is very close to this pipe, but I don't think that'll be a problem. And it's basically routed just like that. 90-degree, straight. And then you just... also, if you don't like the way this looks, you can always do it the other way, but the other way is so much more hard. And right now, even with the filter, I believe it'll have enough clearance. I do need to clean up all this shit because I am in a time crunch. I need to teach my girlfriend how to parallel park. And yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks later on with the filter and whether it has enough clearance or not. Alright, so basically, whenever you come up to the car, you just open up the front hood and boom, dirty as fuck. Then you see this red catching your eye. It's supposed to go with the red theme of the car. And as if right now, if it were fucking with the top heat shield, I would notice it'd leave marks. Plus this would be pushed down. But as if right now it's not fucking with anything, and I believe it's on this hump right here. It's like right there. So I think it's good as of right now. And it's a very clean look. Really changes up the way your vehicle looks. And I'm gonna have to get another one, I guess, eventually for this valve. Yeah. And I don't know how I'm going to route that though, because there is no space on this side of the car. I mean, maybe right here it could go down, but I don't know. Sure, a little bit, not too much. I'll figure it out later. I guess you guys will see and learn from my mistakes, just like you did from this video. Or this series. Alright, thanks. Okay, so the oil catch can is on, and I noticed an interesting interaction. It makes a whistle sound very loudly. So inside the car you don't hear it, but it's just maybe if I don't use the air filter, whatever that is, it won't whistle. It kind of looks like a turbo wind or a supercharger idle, like as if something's screwing in there, like a belt as well, a belt squeal. I don't know whether I like it or not.